Right, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. And in this video we are going to check out a couple of interesting things that are going on for ICP and of course the price action. Okay then, but let's firstly have a quick look at crypto bubbles. And as we can see over here on a daily, many tokens are pumping up, with Tau up 96%, Chills token up 19.2, Blur up 21%, Beam up 10.3, and Say token up 11.3%. My apologies, and of course many others as well. Okay then, so let's have a look at a fear and greed index that is currently sitting at 64, which is pretty much worse than yesterday in terms of greed. So can we expect next consolidation phase? Let's have a look over here. Oh my goodness, my voice, guys, I do apologize. So Internet Computer is currently trading at $12.65, and the market cap is currently sitting at 5,727,000,000 USD, with 24-hour trading volume sitting at 147,000 US dollars. So as we can see over here, guys, we are pretty much consolidating on a daily chart for Internet Computer, but obviously that is just a temporary, because I do believe that ICP is going to see a big price levels. And why? As you can see over here, 5 big things are happening for ICP, and they are back in the event circuit, along with interesting collaborations and some great ecosystem news. So obviously, guys, they are constantly improving their ecosystem and building better network, and of course big collaborations are going to come, because I do believe that these big institutions and big companies are pretty much realizing what actually ICP is. And of course, guys, I know that many of you don't believe in ICP and think that ICP is a scam, because you know, Sam was involved into that, right? However, you know, FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried being involved into that project doesn't necessarily change the fundamentals and narrative of the project. So obviously that's something that we have to keep in mind. And now let's have a look over here. So Bitfinet secured $7 million in funding with support from Polychain and Parafy Capital, aimed in integrating its EVM with Bitcoin. So as we can see over here, guys, many good things are happening for ICP and the company itself. And now, despite that, let's have a look over here at this chart. So as we can see over here, the Gaussian channel just flipped a green, and this is extremely bullish for alts in 2024-2025. As we can see over here, guys, the previous Gaussian channels that were flipping green, that pretty much started a real bull cycle. And as you can see over here, we are currently sitting at 795 billion USD at the time when this screenshot, when this chart was made. So obviously that is just a beginning for ICP and other alts, and of course for BTC. But let's have a look over here, guys. Market cap broke out of the massive Wyckoff accumulation phase. So price is currently consolidating above the point of breakout. Altcoin rally incoming. So as we can see over here, guys, that's the typical Wyckoff accumulation phase over here, and we broke out of it, which is a bullish thing for the market. And as you can see over here, guys, if it comes to the total market cap excluding BTC and ETH, we pretty much broke out much earlier, ever since October last year. But obviously that kind of you know, trend got exhausted over here pretty much already, and we started consolidating, right? So obviously a little bit of a bleeding on the market is definitely you know, normal, right? So even if we are going to see a bit of further consolidation, that's still okay. Let's have a look at ICP finally over here, guys. I just wanted to, you know, show everything in the perspective first before I'm going to jump into ICP chart, so we can actually have an idea of where ICP and other cryptos are actually standing at. Okay, so let's have a look at ICP. And as we can see over here, I know this chart looks very scary, right? But definitely we did broke out from that, and ICP believers pretty much are sitting at a very healthy profits at the moment, at roughly 4x. However, let me zoom in and let's see what is going on over here, guys. The first thing that is pretty much catching my attention is this thing over here. As you can see over here, we are creating higher highs over here on a daily time frame, right? So we could, if this trend is going to be followed, right, we can potentially see something like this, right, and then a bit of consolidation just like in these ones, and then we are going to finally hit this resistance level at roughly $24, right? That might take a while for us, right, to get there. However, that's inevitable in my opinion. ICP obviously is a strong golden project in my opinion, and that is the future. So let's have a look over here at a 4-hourly time frame to kind of determine of what is going on. As you can see, guys, we can see these higher highs trend on the 4-hourly time frame much more clear, right? As we can see over here, we are constantly building that, but obviously due to, you know, Bitcoin ETF, you know, sell the news type of event, right, we have seen a bit of a dump, right? But that's something normal, and we have touched that line of resistance, support over here, right? So now we are obviously trading sideways, which I believe is a good opportunity for us to scoop up some ICP, because I would never ever jump into this, right? Please remember, guys, don't jump into these type of candles, these type of moves, because they are going to wreck you, right? Always wait for pretty much healthier condition to jump into any project, not only ICP, right? So guys, short term, I do expect some volatility on the market. However, long term, if it comes to ICP and many other altcoins, I do believe that ICP is going to skyrocket this bull run. Okay, then, thank you very much for watching that quick ICP update. Hope you enjoyed it, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay then, peace and love, crypto.